Hello! We are going to make harvest corn magnets. It's going to look kind of like that when we are done. Hopefully a little better because that was my first run. So we take two 5-inch pipe cleaners and you twist it like so. And then after it forms an X, you take the top and you bend it down a little bit. Well, actually in half. And then you take the other 3 prongs and you start beating. So I have brown and gold and orange that I just do over and over and over again until there's 15 beads on each little stalk. Or before you get almost to the end, you take your last 3 beads then after you have them all strung on your pipe cleaner, you just bend it a little bit. This part's kind of hard, so you can ask a parent or guardian or caregiver, whoever you are with, to help you with that. If you cannot get it, that's okay. And then you just do that with the other 2 until you have 3 little stalks of corn. I alternate them, so I went from brown to yellow to orange, and now I'm going to do orange, brown, yellow on this one, and then I'm going to do yellow, orange, and then brown on the other one. Alright, so after you have all of your pipe cleaner ends beaded, you have the little corn, and then you take your raffia. You're going to have 2 lengths of about 16-17 inches of it. So what I do is I kind of loop it like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's going to be for the top. And then it will look kind of like that. And then you put it over the top. So if this is the front right here, put the raffia right there, so it kind of looks like that. And then you take the other raffia and then you tie the folded raffia over, or you fold the raffia and then tie it onto the pipe cleaner. I like to extra tie things because I like things to stay real good. And then I always leave a little tail. And then what I did is I wrapped a little bit of the stalk up. You tie it off with the end that you left out. You leave a tail, so. And it looks like that. And then you take your scissors. You cut the little stalk part up top. And then these magnets are not as great as I thought they would be, so they're kind of disappointing. Sorry about that. I thought the adhesive would be way better, but it's not. So I cut mine down. It was a circle. I made it kind of more like a rectangle. And then I just put that on the back of the beads. If you have any hot glue at home or anything like that that would work better than the adhesive of this, I highly recommend that. I mean, it'll stay, you just can't jostle it around too much. And then you have an Indian corn or harvest corn magnet. Harvest corn magnet. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.